Well, my last weekend off is over. From here on in, I work until I go home. I will have next Tuesday off, but it won't be, it'll be nothing but packing bags and heading back to Pennsylvania. I really enjoyed the trip this year. Maybe it's because the winter was so bad out east. Maybe it's because I just really enjoyed the BMW a little more than the V-Strom. But it was great. I mean, last year a lot of this stuff was closed, was washed away from mudslides, so I couldn't do it. But I saved the best for last. This is the Pacific Coast Highway, Big Sur. It was pretty impressive and just breathtaking to see. I went up and down the same stretch of road like 4 times, and I took so much video, and you know what? It's just too much. I'll be lucky to get you guys to watch this. So I just kind of tried to get the most scenic parts and just patch it together into something small. But it was a great time. It was just breathtaking. I'll never get over how blue the Pacific is compared to like the green, murky Atlantic, or at least where I live. Well, I live in Pennsylvania now, but I grew up in Long Island, so I'm used to seeing the ocean. But the Pacific Ocean's a whole different ballgame. It's so blue. Well, I guess I better start putting my mind towards packing my bags, because it's work and pack now, and then start the long ride home. I'm kind of looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to it.